Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to capture screen and internal audio on your Mac without using BlackHole. Let's begin. I'm using a MacBook Pro, but this method works on any MacBook or Mac desktop. To start, I'm bringing up the virtual keyboard so you can clearly see the shortcut we'll be using. Simply press Command plus Shift plus 5 on your keyboard. This will open the screen capture and recording toolbar. On the toolbar, the options on the left are for screenshots, and the two options on the right are for screen recordings. The first icon captures your entire screen, including the dock and everything. The next one captures a selected window. And the third option lets you capture a selected portion of your screen by drawing a custom area. Now, for screen recording, you can either choose to record entire screen or record selected portion, depending on what you need. Click on Options, and here's what you can customize. Choose where to save the recording: desktop, documents, etc. Set a timer, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Choose your microphone input. You can also record internal audio using the Mac's built-in microphone or any other mic you have selected here. No need for BlackHole. Once your settings are ready, just click Record. Your screen recording will begin, and you'll see a small stop icon at the top right of your menu bar. When you're done, click that icon to stop recording. The video will be saved to the location you selected earlier. Just click and watch it. And that's how you record your screen and internal audio on Mac. No third-party apps needed. Thanks for watching.